draw a car. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. Welcome, fellow artists, to Kimiko Arts. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a car. I hope you enjoy. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have 2 ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our artwork an extra professional look. The first thing we are going to draw when we are drawing this car is we are going to break it down into the basic shapes. So when I think about the body of the car, it's going to start out as curve shape on top, and then 2 curve shapes at the side, and then a line that goes along the bottom, like this. Then I'm going to be checking to make sure that each side is symmetrical with one another. Then I'm going to add the tires. So the basic shape for a tire is a circle. So I'm going to lightly sketch a circle at the front of the car and then a circle at the back of the car. And I want to, again, check and make sure that they're around the same size. Then I'm going to add the bumper. So for that, I'm just gonna add a line along the bottom like this, and then 2 smaller circles inside of the wheels to give them a little bit more detail. Then I'm going to add the windows. So for the windows, we're going to draw a curved line, a straight line going down, and then a straight line going across for the front window. And then for the back window, we're going to draw a line going down and a curved line, and then a line going across. Now once we have the windows drawn, we can add a little bit of sheen by adding a few lines going on a diagonal across. You can also add a headlight and a light at the back. You can make them into an eye if you like. And then I'm gonna add some handles, which are kind of like oval shapes. Now once I'm all done that, I'm going to use my permanent marker and I'm going to outline the shapes that I would like to keep. By outlining your contour lines, you are going to have a final art piece that looks super polished and spectacular. Remember, not to outline the shapes you don't want to see. Now, if you would like to elevate your car, you can add a few passengers. I'm gonna add a man and a dog, but you can add whoever you like. Now, if you'd like to give your car a little bit of oomph, you can add a few more details like I'm doing to the lights, to the bumper, and that will give you that extra exceptional look. So there you have it, a car that's ready to go on an adventure. Where is your car going to go? If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time. Thank you for joining me at Kimiko Arts.